What's up guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the Samsung Tab A7 Lite for 2022. I selected this tab based on my personal opinion and hours of research. And I have selected this tab based on hardware performance, design, features and price. I have included options for every type of consumers. So if you want more information, don't forget to check links mentioned in the description below. Okay, let's start the video. You see, the demand for budget tablets has skyrocketed during this pandemic. Everyone I know has been asking me if there is any best tablet for their kids to study online classes. And this is why Samsung has tried to solve the issue with its latest Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite with a starting price of only $120. This is a cheapest Galaxy Tab that you can buy. In fact, it is cheapest tablet that you can buy in 2022. Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite is one of the good tablets by Samsung. The tablet has Helio P22T, 12 nanometers, processor, which is one of the good ones in the market. 3 GB of RAM in the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite is quite fast for multitasking. The storage of 32 GB in Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite is very good. It contains 8MP main camera and 2MP back camera. Daylight photography is okay, whereas night photography is not so okay. Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite contains 8.7 inches display, which is quite compact and easy to handle. There is a 5100 mAh battery in the tablet, which will last full day or more if background applications are not running. As the name suggests, the Galaxy Tab A7 Lite is a lighter, smaller spin on the Galaxy Tab A7 tablet the company released in 2020. It's 8.37 by 4.91 by 0.31 inches in size and weighs in at just 0.81 pounds. It means that it's lighter and more compact than almost every tablet on the market. The notable exception is Apple's iPad mini, which is still a bit smaller and lighter at 8 by 5.3 by 0.24 inches and 0.66 pounds than the Tab A7 Lite. Along the bottom edge of the Tab A7 Lite you'll find a Type-C USB 2.0 port, which is predominantly used for charging the device. The power/wake button and volume controls are nestled along the top right edge, while the microSD card slot is located on the left edge. The Tab A7 Lite's 8.7-inch, 1340 by 800 pixel screen looks pretty good in most situations, though in bright light I found myself staring at my reflection more often than I liked. The Galaxy Tab A7 Lite has 2 speaker grills, one along the top right edge and another along the bottom left. Together they kick out some decent sounding audio, and their location along the edges makes it easy to hear what's happening when the tablet is lying flat. The MediaTek MT8768T chip powering the Galaxy Tab A7 Lite isn't exactly a powerhouse, but its 4 GB of RAM helps make the experience of flipping between apps and playing games nice and speedy. The Galaxy Tab A7 Lite's battery packs enough power to get you through a cross-country flight or a few nights on the couch without having to scramble for a charger. In our battery test, which involves surfing the web over Wi-Fi at 150 nits of brightness, the little tablet lasted 10 hours and 7 minutes. The Galaxy Tab A7 Lite's 2MP front-facing camera and 8MP rear camera are good enough to get you through video calls and the occasional photo op without too much embarrassment. Samsung has been pitching the Galaxy Tab A7 Lite as a small, useful Android tablet that's easy on your wallet, and in my experience that's exactly what you get when you buy one. All in all, given the situation with the ongoing pandemic, the Galaxy Tab A7 Lite is an enticing choice for students who want something affordable for their video conferencing needs. I think it is also a very good option for someone who is looking for a cheap tablet for their multimedia consumption. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Links to all video we have talked about are in the description below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. I will see you later.